Hi all and welcome to the video. In this video I will show you how to install Node.js on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So let's get started. Open a new terminal. Check whether Node.js is already installed on your system by running this command node --version. You can see result command not found. This means Node.js is not installed in your system. You can install Node.js by running this command sudo apt install node.js, hit enter sudo password. Confirm installation by typing y and press enter. It may take a while for the Node.js installation to complete. Now installation is complete. Write this command node --version, hit enter. You can see Node.js version 18.19.1 is installed. Now type this command npm --version and press enter. You can see npm is not installed in your machine. Now type this command sudo install npm and hit enter. Type y to confirm and hit enter. Wait till the installation is complete. Now installation is complete. So let's verify the installation. To verify npm installation, type npm ---- version and hit enter. As you can see, npm version 9.2.0 is installed. Now we will check whether we install the latest Node.js version. Open browser, search Node.js, go to nodejs.org. You can see the latest LTS version of Node.js is 22.12.0 at the time of recording this video. So we will update Node.js version 18.19.1 to Node.js version 22.12.0. For that, type this command npm install -gn and press enter. Enter sudo user password. Now type command sudo n lts and hit enter. Now verify installation by closing the terminal and reopen. Type node ---- version and hit enter. As you can see, Node latest LTS version 22.12.0 is installed. And that's it. Thanks for watching the video.